Hello guys, and welcome to another very wonderful video of Prime's Money. So this is just a redo of the video that is already live. Someone on the comment region said I should at least have tried it out with 1,000 naira, that I shouldn't be posting things that I'm not sure of. So I just want to clear him right that it isn't that I am not sure of what I'm doing. It's just that I do not want to deposit into my Binance account because I have no need for it. But let me just show you guys an example. Click on deposit NGN and let's allow that to load right there. After loading, we are going to be using, let's use bank transfer. Then I told you, I already showed you in the previous video how you're going to connect everything. So after hitting on bank transfer, I'm just going to put in the amount right there, which is 1,000, and then hit on continue. After hitting on continue, so I'm just going to scroll down. So what you want to do here is that you want to choose a person with at least a good percentage, a good completion percent. So this first guy right here is about 99%. I'm going to go with him. Others are 76, 98, and this guy has completed more orders too, about 1,040 orders. I'm just going to go with him right there and click on send request. After clicking on send request, what I'm going to do right now is that if I want to contact him, I can just hit right here, contact seller, and then you could type hello, I want to place an order, and then send that to him. You could stand if you want to and wait for his reply, or you could just go right here and then give him a call. So I'm just going to pause this video right now and then give him a call so that it will be faster. So I've called him right now. What I'm going to do is that I am going to make payment. So I'm just going to pause this video again in order to make payment into his micro Kuda bank. So as it stands right now, I have made the transfer. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hit on I have paid. So they said here, confirm payments, that you must have at least 2 proof of payment, example alert or screenshot. If your payment is disputed, respond within 2 hours or cash link will release fund to the merchant. Only confirm if you have made payment to require merchant's bank account and have proof of payment. So I'm just going to hit that right here. I have made payment. So I'm going to contact him again, and what I'm going to do this time is that I am going to send him a proof of payment. So I'm just going to scroll right there. Okay, so there was no even need of even screenshotting itself and sending it to him because he already confirmed the payment. He said payment sent, your deposit was sent. So you can see right here that I have successfully deposited. So he didn't even need the proof of payment. He already saw the payment and then confirmed it immediately. So but there are some sellers that will actually need you to send a proof. That's how it works. Most sellers just need you to send a proof. Most sellers don't. You'll just check the name. If the name coincides, they'll release the payment. So what you're going to hit now is that you're going to hit on close. And after you hit on close, what's going to happen is that when you go back right here, it's a deposit order submitted, blah blah blah. When you go back right here and then come to sports and search NGN, you could see right here that my NGN has been credited with 900 naira. So now if you want to withdraw this money right here, all you're going to do is that you could come right here to sports, and then hit on NGN and click on withdraw NGN. And when you hit on withdraw right there, all you're going to do next is that you're going to choose the way in which you want to withdraw, which is through bank transfer, and then hit on continue. So after doing that, what you're going to do is that you're going to put the minimum amount, and you can see right here that the minimum amount is actually 1,000, not 900. So there's no need of me withdrawing. So if I put in here 900, it's not going to go through. So the minimum amount is 1,000. So there's no need of me even withdrawing. But withdrawal is just the same as P2P. There is no difference. It's the same as P2P. So this exactly converts it. Just like the previous video I showed you, all you just have to do is go home, go to Mo, and then click on convert. Then click on convert. Hit right here, hit on NGN. After hitting on NGN right there, you want to hit on USDT right here. And after doing that, all you just have to put in is 900 and click on preview conversion. You could see that it has showed you the amount. I'll get about 1.03 USDT, and then hit on convert right here, and you've seen the process is successful. If I view my history, 900 has then been converted to USDT. If I go back right now, go to my wallet, you'll find out that I no longer have NGN again, but instead I have USDT right here. You can see I have about 1.04 USDT. So we'll just go back home, and then this marks the end of this video.